What is up, everyone? Again, I am at the river. I went here a couple days ago, didn't catch anything. I went here, went down the way, saw fish moving here and there, didn't catch anything. So it is what it is, but I'm back here again. I'm going carp fishing again. I'm enjoying it, I'm having fun. There's some haters about carp, and I used to be one who just didn't hate but didn't understand it. I was like, why would someone want to fish for them? But they are a fun catch, so I'm back. So like I always say, we live in the land of 10,000 lakes, so what are you doing? Go fishing. Also, we have the crystal clear Mississippi River. Like, share, subscribe, and enjoy the video. You want the net? Nice, bro. There we go.
You can catch some big bait.
Dude, yeah, for real. Oh. Yes, bro. Nice. Big boy. Good stuff, bro. Nice, you got one? Nice, dude. There you go. That little guy thought he was tough. Yeah, yeah. There you go. There's another one.
Number 3 today.
Boom. Nice, dude. Man, Isaac got another one. This guy bigger might need the net. Oh yeah, he's not. Okay.
Yeah, like ocean fishing again.
Oh, I felt him hit the dock. Right. There we go. That's a perfect hook too.
Oh,
And gotta mess around, yeah.
Even claw with the clip, and don't forget the clear line too.
Boom. Yeah, he's a tubby.
So football size right here.
Nice, dude. Well, the weather was bad. It was really cold. The wind was crazy. That's what was bad. If it wasn't for the wind, it wouldn't have been bad. It's like in the 30s. But what a day, whatever. I mean, didn't catch any carp. That's what I came for. I didn't see them moving at any of the locations I went to, which is fine. Met someone named Isaac who knew my channel, which was cool, and he caught a couple smallies, so that was cool. That was exciting. I got to see the way he was catching smallies, and that's an interesting way. I'm not going to give away his secrets because I don't know if he wants his secrets exposed, but it's a cool way that he's doing it. Like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification if you want to be notified. If you don't, whatever. This is Seth LeRoy Fishing. Like I always say, we live in the land of 10,000 lakes. So what are you doing? Go fishing. We also have the beautiful Mississippi and other rivers that are just great to fish. Once again, thanks for watching.